When you're having company over, what is more important? Taking out your trash or putting your cheap hair weave away? Okay? And it's just trying to wreck itself. It wants to it just wants to embarrass me it's my same scenario these days. I have not really been on it. All day I feel like I was in a daze. How's your Monday going? Mondays are always an incredible day for me. It's that getting back to work vibe. As soon as I got in there, because I worked this Saturday, I said, I'm taking off tomorrow. You know, because we get that kind of flexibility if you work a weekend day or what have you. Crazy though. So now I'm trying to throw my apartment together. Another reason why I took off is because I need to do my hair, which is like a really petty reason. I have not been into like vanity stuff lately. My friend wants to go swimming, and this is not the swimming body, okay? Especially with my hair pulled back. Oh, Jesus. And I don't want to be a party pooper. You know, I hate always saying no to things. I think as you become a real adult, you do say no more often. But I try not to do that because I hate people who can never do anything. Their answer to everything is always, oh no, this isn't a good time. It's like you only live one time. Even if you're tired, just go out and try it. And if it doesn't, you know, you can always leave. Or you can always say, you know what, I tried it, now I'm going in. Right now, I would rather be working out, jumping rope, but I definitely don't feel like embarrassing myself trying to stuff everything I have right now into a bathing suit. There would be a cover-up, girl. I don't even think my legs is shaved, okay? And I wore a dress to work. That's just how real I'm living right now. Like, I'm telling you, I didn't used to really have respect for people who worked. Like, especially like when you're a kid and stuff, you're like, oh, they always complaining about being tired and paying bills and they never want to do anything. And now, it's like karma. Karma is a what? Because I am feeling that. It's like, it's always something to do. Like, life is non-stop all of the time. It's like when you have to decide, do I shave my legs, wash my crotch, or clean out the bathtub? How can I do it all at one time? Wash it, shave it, and clean it up. It's like, that's the kind of stuff that's on my mind right now. I hope you guys are having a more structured day than I am. Nothing major really going on, just life on life terms. A lot of excitement going on in my job right now, but I need a new kind of excitement. Can I just say that? I want to, if you know what I mean, Monday through Friday, just something refreshing, you know? Oh man, oh man. And then there's so many things. I don't even like people to use my bathroom because I've got a lot of personal things up in here that are really personal to me, being a lady, and I just need this space. But it's my fault, and I get on myself because I'm like, why do I clean up more for other people to come over than I do for myself just to sit around here? Like, my mom would say, oh, your house should always be clean. Mine is not. Not by any stretch of the imagination. It looks like a teenager lives here, an overgrown teenager at that. You might even find things, not even might, you definitely will find things hidden underneath my bed. Because that is the level of adult that I am at this stage in my life. And it really just bothers me that, I don't know, like if I saw me in public, I'm always amazed. I would think that I have my crap so together. I wouldn't even believe it if somebody told me, look how greasy my face is. I wouldn't even believe it if somebody else told me that that lady is like acting like a 12-year-old in her mind and in her life, you know? Going out here for paper towels. I'm the worst at grocery shopping and keeping things around. Whew. Now, you know, if a girl don't even like to wipe down her, what do you call that? Sink every day and get all that stuff off, then how do you expect me to be prepared for everything? But, you know, people have those expectations. Woo! I gotta run to the bank tomorrow, and I'm not looking forward to it. I've been talking to y'all about all kind of real life adult stuff that adults can relate to, because that's what I'm so thankful for, is that my channel, my audience demographic is very adult, and you can tell that in my comment section and stuff like that. I was watching some YouTube videos over the weekend because they had the whole VidCon, all that kind of thing, and it's amazing what kind of audience that different people bring. And I can say so much about that. And then, you know, they have like the BET Awards and stuff like that. Can I tell y'all something? I know they say old people stop talking about young people, but let me tell somebody just a little bit younger something. And this is about the whole Nicki Minaj thing at the BET Awards. At a certain phase in your life, there is no extra money for opening your legs in a public place. I'm just saying. And I would say opening your legs in general. Like Mariah Carey, Janet Jackson. I mean, like, how much more can you get? Like, if it doesn't benefit you, because, you know, I love some Cardi B. You might not know that. Cardi B was saying how it's hard to be a female rapper and how they try to put the female rappers against each other, and they're just as raunchy as the guys, and the guys don't get criticized. And they really put it into a different perspective, because, you know, men are rapping about shooting, murdering, killing, and then women come out there with their sexuality. So it's the same kind of frequency, the same kind of low vibration type lifestyle. So should we really criticize these women for showing a different part of culture? Now, it's not my everyday culture. You know, I call this my work house dress girl. Where oh man, I want to keep my lemons. Where I have to show up conservative, they don't have to do that. And there are certain parts of America that does not do that. If you work around the public and people, you know that there's all different kinds of walks of life, so that there's people showing you different walks of life. I think my whole point is, just don't think that that is the one way. And it is crazy. Still clean up this bathroom. It is crazy that the media chooses the low vibration walk of life to be the mainstream. You know what I mean? That's just mind blowing. But somebody said that the first hour of the BET Awards was like the EBT Awards. I think that probably came from a person who is like my age, where you don't really know these people. These people are not really in mainstream society. I don't even understand how young people find people now. They're just on the internet browsing around, word of mouth.